Alright, and we're back with your little angel. Anyway, girl, what you've got to work him on, though, is this turn towards and the giving into the pressure of the leash. His natural tendency is to kind of lunge ahead. So if you don't practice, so I'm going to do my pager, do my squeak, heel, good, heel, down. Oh, still got your treats, too. But like right there, he's out of position. So I'm going to put a little pressure on the leash. Heel. Good. Be very specific about where heel is with this dog, or else he'll just start walking faster and faster and be ahead of you. Anyway, he's very distracted because he sees the water. Down. Down. Scoot there. Down. I'm going to turn. I'm going to turn him. I've got my finger on the pager. Heel. Heel. Just applying a little bit of pressure. So from here, heel. Good boy. Just took the tiniest little bit of pressure to get into it. Oh, but what a happy dog he is. So you're going to have your treats. You need to just be ready, girl. If he starts to cut you off, heel, you're just going to pop him out of the way. Good. So the mechanics of that, you can see he's stopping. Heel. Oh, good boy. Heel. So I don't let him circle around the room. Down. So I'm going to let him loose, but I'm not going to let him get in the water. I don't know what the deal is in your house. I don't think he's allowed to go down there because I consider all those oyster shells and everything. So I'm going to keep him from going down. Heel. Oh, good boy. Heel. Heel. Loves to work. These dogs are the type, they've got to have the job. So, all through, his job is twirling and spinning. Hershey. So he was headed for the water. I stopped him. I had a pager right there. But I did use also a tone that let him know, I need you to come back. I'm not going to ask him at that point. I was basically telling him, Hershey. Mama doesn't want you in there. I actually need to treat that water in here though. And anyway, he looks great though, girl. He's got weight on him. His coat looks nice. Hershey. Down. You might need to bring one more bag of food for Carson. I gotta tell you, Carson, he doesn't eat like a pig. This one, on the other hand, eats the dry food like it's meat. Well, he doesn't say, whatever the opposite of savoring every bite is, that's him. All through. So when I'm telling him to come to me like that, really the name is the recall. Heel is more specific. If I do want to do Hershey, heel, down. Well, then I'm saying no, down, heel. I'm saying specifically that location. That's the job. Stay out of the way. So remember to release him and just pull through. If he heads for that water though, I'm going to get him. Hershey! I got him with the neck right there. Down. Good. this. I want him on that hip. The reason he's not on the hip is because he's poised and ready to go. Down. Down. Oh, he's fighting me. No. Down. Good. Hershey. Hershey. Good boy. He's got a pretty good sniffer. If he can sniff that thing out, I'll be impressed with him. Oh, he's working on it. All right, well, there went his career as a drug dog. All right, let me see if I can get it. I don't have the two of them, which is my fault, but down. Oh, good boy. Down. And what I definitely would not play ball, because now Carson's the bully of him. All through. Down. Down. I did have my hip right there, but you see what happened? He went on his hip. Oh, good boy. Down. Oh, good boy. If I had down, I had the two of them, he wouldn't be. See, I was kind of trying to possess it. All through. All through. All through. Anyway, Ann, there's a Publix pet photo contest. I want you to take one of his photos if you can and enter it in there. I really think he could win. I'm going to enter one of mine. There's only one entry per household, though. Try to get the one where you can't see the collar, because he's not going to win if they can see the collar. You know what a bias people have. Oh, look at him go. Down. So I pushed him right down with the pager right there, but he's not on the hip. I'm not going to gesture with my remote at all. Down. Good. And I want you to start your own show at your house. It's going to be called Time to Talk About Hershey. Down. He can have his own show. My son's not on the hip. Down. Down. I was able to keep him out of the water, though, girl, but I did use my net. Oh, down. Good. That time he went all the way on. All right, in fact, we'll take some pictures right now, girl, and maybe those can be the ones to enter in the contest. Bye, girl. See you tomorrow.